In this video, I will show you how to use outfit codes in Roblox Catalog Avatar Creator. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are, as you can see, on roblox.com. So what you want to do first is come across to roblox.com and log into your account. Now there's quite a few different catalog avatar creators, but the one I'm going to be showing you how to use today is this one by @itsmanib. So what you want to do is come across to this address. You can see this address here at the top. You want to make sure this is entered correctly to come across to the correct catalog avatar creator. Once you're on here, go ahead and press play button to launch the experience. So here we are, as you can see, we've got the experience loaded. Now from here, to go ahead and use the code, so what you're going to want to do is come over to the left hand side and you've got two options, community outfits and outfit loader. So what you want to do is go ahead and press onto community outfits. And then from here, go ahead and select most popular. Now, if you look at the very bottom of the screen, you can see the box to enter your outfit code. So I've got a sample code, which I'm going to enter into here, which is 14EBA3. So once you've done that, go ahead and press enter, and it's going to take you across to the outfit for that outfit code. And that is it. That is how you can go ahead and use outfit codes in Roblox Catalog Avatar Creator. So I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.